Let's make sourdough discard cinnamon swirl bread. Add 250 grams of water to your bowl, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and then mix this together, and then go ahead and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes or until it becomes foamy. Now that it's foamy, we're gonna go ahead and add 100 grams of your sourdough discard, 500 grams of bread flour, 10 grams of salt, and then 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Go ahead and place your bowl on your stand mixer and then start mixing on low. If you need to add any more flour or water, you can go ahead and do this at this time, but just keep it at a tablespoon at a time. But now that it's starting to form a ball, I'm gonna go ahead and knead this for like 5 to 8 minutes. Now that it's done kneading, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Go ahead and get your dough and form it into a ball. Spray your bowl with nonstick cooking spray. Add your dough back in. Cover and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Now that my dough is done rising, we're gonna go ahead and make the cinnamon for the middle of it. We're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of sugar, a big heaping teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 2 teaspoons of flour. And then go ahead and mix that together. You can add more cinnamon if you want more cinnamon in it. And then I'll go ahead and set that aside. Next, I'm gonna grab my 9x5 bread pan and I'm going to spray it really well with nonstick cooking spray and then set that aside. Next, we're gonna take our dough and go ahead and punch it down and then get it out on your countertop. Now go ahead and roll it out to a rectangle. And then I'm going to add my cinnamon sugar mixture. And I'm gonna fold in the sides where it doesn't fall out. And then start at one end and go ahead and roll it up. And then I'm just going to pinch together the seams, place it in your bread pan, and then you're going to let it rest for about another 45 minutes to an hour, and then we will bake it. Now that we're done with the second rise, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a 350-degree preheated oven for 40 minutes. And there we go, it is all done. I'll go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below and then follow me for more recipes.